Welcome to another edition of Asphalt Video, brought to you by Crocker Asphalt Services. My name's Peter and I'm the asphalt guy. Today we're at the Village Oaks Shopping Center on Little Rock Road in Charlotte, North Carolina. And as you can see, they're in need of a new parking lot. Now, in some cases we can seal coat and protect, but there's a lot of wide cracks here, there's a lot of gatoring, and there's a lot of cracks that are actually asphalt that you can actually pull up. So when it gets to that point, it's time for a new parking lot. Take a look at this gatored area, which is an area where you have a lot of small cracks in a certain space. Now, if it's just one area, we can always use that as a patch and we can correct it. But when you have places like this all over and you can reach down with your hand and actually pull some of the asphalt up, it's time to start getting a new parking lot. Now check this out. You see, a new parking lot is a great investment for your business because it can give it a curb appeal that you can't duplicate with anything else you can do anywhere outside in the parking lot. Now look at the before and after here. In fact, don't even look at the parking lot, just look at the food line and then look at the Family Dollar. Doesn't it appear to you that even though these businesses have been there about the same amount of time, one looks new while the other looks kind of old and outdated? This is what a new parking lot will do. It gives you the energy, your business, the energy that you want to convey and the curb appeal that brings people in. A new, well-maintained parking lot can last you 25, 30 years or more. But what excites me is the opportunity to show you how I can save you 10 to 20% more on your next parking lot. So before you make that final decision, please call and let me show you our process and how it can work for you. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for details on all the different ways you can get in touch with me.